7 seeds சொந்த பண்ணிட்டேன். The Raja kingdom in Nanavel. It was ruled by Agan and was he had no ear. He became old, so he wanted to adopt the child. The child would be the next king. He wanted to adopt the child. The child would be the next king. He wanted to the person to be honest. He looked for a leader. The king organized a competition for 6 months. He tested the different skills of the children in the kingdom. 5 boys and 12 girls were selected for the final round. The king said, "Our kingdom depends on agriculture. That you need must know how to grow plants." So the king gave 7 seeds for wheat for each child. He told them to sow the seeds. They would nurture the seeds for 6 weeks. Annie was one among the selected children. She took the seeds home. She took good soil and ordered manna to eat. She sowed the seeds in the soil. She watered it every day, but the seeds did not grow. She was very sad. Her friends advised her to use some other seeds, but her parents taught her to be honest. So she chose to be honest. After 6 weeks, all the children came to the king. They sowed 80 seedlings to the king, but Annie's seeds did not grow. She felt ashamed, but to her surprise, she won the competition. The king said, "I gave